Okay, today we're going to be replacing the trigger on a Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. It seems to have gone bad, so we're going to take it apart. First we're going to remove this right here. Take that off. I've already removed the screws, but you've got to take these out right here. These are small Phillips head screws. Then you're going to take this part off. Let's see. It's going to come off. Then you've got two screws here, Phillips head, that you can take off, as well as one here. And it's going to come loose. I had to special order a tool to get these T8 bolts out. This is what I'm going to use. Okay, there's a torque screw in the bottom of this handle here. Way down in there, but you can see it. I'm going to have to undo that. Okay, you got to be careful prying off this plastic here. This was a little bit hard to get off, but I got it off. There's two torque screws here I need to unfasten. Okay, I'm going to bend these two connectors with some needle nose pliers so I can get it out. Okay, before I go any further, I've got to disconnect this piece from the motherboard. Do you see that? That was very easy, just this little piece right here. Just used my fingernail at the very top of it and it flipped right off. Now we've got the whole motor out. Okay, I got two more torque screws to get this little plastic piece out of this housing. This little tool here came in handy. It pried some stuff apart. It's kind of like a butter knife type thing. Okay, I pried this piece out. The wires fish through here, come through here. Okay, it's the wires. I'm gonna try to pull this out. Okay, I pulled the trigger assembly out. It came straight down. I grabbed it with some pliers from the bottom, with it connected to there. And I want you to look at that trigger. It's cracked. Look at that. That's right. See that right there? That's broke. I'm just going to take that spring out of here and just pop. This pops off pretty easy. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to replace it with this metal one I've got. Alright, that's a little tricky, but I got that on there. The pride on there. Now I'm going to fish this back up through here. Okay, I'm putting this back together. I got the torque screw back up in there. Okay, I got the torque screws back in there. I'm getting ready to put the casing back on. Okay, I'm going to put these screws back in here. Okay, I'm putting the battery back on. Don't forget about the one in the back of the handle. Okay, I've put it back together. Let's see if it works. Look at that. Woohoo! Job done.